Hello everyone, welcome to Global Online Trainings. Today we are going to discuss about one of the SAP module is nothing but SAP PO training process orchestration. Now, if you want to register for this course, you have to just email us at info@globalonlinetrainings.com, or you can catch up us on Skype at global.onlinetrainings, or you can call us at the mentioned numbers. For example, if you are from India, you can call us at +914060501418. Before going in detail about this course, let us have a look at an overview about the Global Online Trainings. To give an overview, Global Online Trainings is a leading training service corporation specialized in providing online trainings and corporate trainings to the individual and enterprises. Our high quality, competitive and effective training services makes us best in this field. Our professional team carries an excellent instructional experience through many years and understands the complexity of technologies and methods of training delivery. We provide training with the subject matter experts who are good in their primary skills in all technologies for online and corporate trainings. We provide training for below technologies such as SAP, all modules, technical as well as functional modules, Oracle all modules, SS modules, IBM tools, middleware tools, Microsoft applications and web technologies and other technologies too. Now let us look over the course introduction regarding SAP PO. SAP process SAP PO training is a combination of diverse SAP components, that is SAP Business Process Management and SAP Process Integration and SAP Business Rules Management. SAP PO training is an integrated broker which mediates between entities with changing and requirement in terms of connectivity and protocols. SAP Process Orchestration training by Global Online Trainings is done on a virtual interaction platform and on flexi hours arrangement so that on-job professionals can attend this course while doing their regular service or a business. So SPPO training is rendered by the best subject matter experts, and the tutorials are prepared by the expert industry aligned tutors are made with the latest industry updates. Classes are available for individual as well as for the corporate batches on demand. Now, first let us understand what is meant by a process orchestration. SAP PO online training combines the integration capabilities of SAP, NetWare process integration, and the Advanced Adapter Engine Extended AEX with the process modeling, operation and monitoring capabilities of SAP NetWare Gateway Business Process Management, that is BPM, and the process orchestration is based on AS Java only and use one SID for all PI, BPM plus BRM plus iFlow. It supports the integrated configuration, which is easy comparison classic configuration and B2B add-on available in PO. What are below components? Let us discuss what are SAP BO training has different components. Coming to the first one, it is an Advanced Adapter Engine Extended, nothing but AEX, provides the connectivity capabilities of the Advanced Adapter Engine as well as the engine and configuration tools, ES respiratory and the integrated directories to set up and integrated scenarios. Business Process Management and a Business Rules Management (BPM) and the Business Rules Management allows to design, execute and monitor the business processes. And this is what are the reasons and why should we learn SCPPO training? Let us have a look on that. Now first comes here is B2B add-on, and the next is easy to develop an object. Third one is a model user experience with a native business rules and a simplified IT landscape with a human to system or the workflow and easier to configure the monitor and a Java gateway or the REST adapters ready for the cloud as well as for HANA and an SAP are not developed a PI dual stack anymore, and the performance improved. This is an architecture, and coming to the next, this is an pro- protofile and the vision. Coming to next, introduction to SAP NetWare technology is nothing but what all we are going to cover in this training for the complete course. This is the course agenda. Now let us have a look on this. The first one is introduction to SAP NetWare Gateway, in which we are going to cover about the building blocks of SAP NetWare 7.4 and also the web-based architecture. Next comes here is integration to SAP process integration, the features of process integrations, and for SAP PI 7.4. In this we are going to cover of the latest version of the SAP PI. It's nothing but 7.4, and we will explain the architecture for this SAP PI 7.4. And coming to the next one is a system landscape directory. Here we do explain the architecture, describes the technical systems and business systems along with the landscapes, products and software components. Next is about the integration respiratory. In this, we do provide introduction for this integrated respiratory along with an organization of the design objects in HR and the how to create respiratory objects along with data, message types and the service interfaces, mapping objects and external definition, the content handling and the mapping templates, etc. How to deploying with an imported interface objects along with an overview of a proxy development. Next, it's about mapping. In the mapping, we do cover an SAP PO training with a mapping program in SAP PI 7.1, the latest version, and along with the Java, XSTL, and ABAP mapping, and also the node functions, user-defined functions, along with the multiple mapping concept. Coming to the next, we go with an integration directory. In this, we are going to cover an integration to the introduction to the integrated directory, describing the systems and services and how to configure the internal company process and the cross company process and also the communication channels, logical logical routing and the technical routing concepts along with the transport between the test and the productive landscapes, integrated configurations and the architecture of AEX. Coming to the next topic is a runtime. Here we do cover an introduction to the central adapter engine along with its configuration and monitoring like a message, component and end-to-end monitoring concepts. Coming to the adapter, here we go with adapter framework and adapter engine and ADK, like, and we do cover some of the adapters like file, JDBC, RFC, IDOC AAE or HTTP AAE along with SOAP adapters and XI over the SOAP. What are the overview of adapters? Like what are the other adapters we do use in the scenarios are mentioned below. There are the 19 adapters. For example, file to file, file to FCC, FCC to FCC, and file to JDBC, JDBC to file, or JDBC to JDBC, etc. We are going to cover total 19 scenarios on this adapters. Next, here comes with the main topic, process orchestration. In this process orchestration, we are going to cover what is a process orchestration along with overview of the business process management and overview of the rules management along with deploying BPM and BRM and AX and a comparison of PI 7.1 dual stack and PO 7.4 and also the comparison between AAE and AEX. Next topic, here we go, is business process overview and development. Here we will let you know how to configure the NWDS development tools and how to design the BMPM in an NWDS with an outline business processes and creating the products, functions used to design the BPMN. And the third topic, here we go, is a BPMN process. Here we cover few topics like outlining the roles and authorization of BPMN process along with the importing objects and handling several interfaces, explaining the automated activities for the PO process, a calling of web services from an automated activities. Coming to the topic 4, we deal with an iFlow development. Here, we define and explains the process content and also the data objects and how to create the data mapping, explaining the gateways and applying data transformation by using the functions, outlining notification activities for PO and configuring and using the reporting activities for PO. Next comes here is a deployment and the testing process. Here we deal with the building and deploying a PO process and explaining the configuration of PO process along with the testing and the monitoring of SAP PO training process. Next comes is the delivery process. We do explain how the data flows model and business rules management and how to create the rules and ruler composer and managing the business rules with the rules manager. Next goes it's an connectivity with an advanced adapter engine extended. Here we do cover how to configure the scenarios in ESR browser. Along we do explain how the communication between the PPM and AX goes on and how to design or how to process the SAP process integration designer and how to monitor the process integration monitoring, nothing but PIMON. Next comes here is a configuration task and extension. Here we deal with explaining a special configuration task in SAP NetWare Gateway Administration and monitoring the health state of applications, explaining the SAP operational process integration. Next come teaching methods. Here we do adds a few of the agendas to the testing, such as teaching, such as pictorial explanation of the most topics. We explain each and every topic with an example of a picture so that it will be easy for understanding, and we do give real-time scenarios so that the topic will be easy to understand, and a practical demonstration of the object deployment, question and answer session after finishing the every topic, and daily 2 hours Saturday and Sunday too. SAP Process Orchestration online training course content is SAP PO training administration part. Coming to the administration part, we cover an SAP online training installation, post-installation check, rules assignment, adapter upload, patch updating, SLD configuration, business systems and technical systems configuration, along with the post-installation activities, cache connectivity check, transport request, move from the PI dev to QA to RD, PRD, and SSL certification generation and import, Java services activation, and many more. Coming to the developer part, we goes with ESR designing, ID integration, adapter understanding, file IDOC, RFCs, SFTP, JDBC, JMS, HTTP and more. BPM configuration, BRM and iFlow configuration, NDWS development, interface development, monitoring, alter configurations, business understanding, ICO configuration and more. Before winding up or ending up the session, I would like to show you the landing page for this SAP PO. You just note you have to just click on the browser and you have to give www.globalonlinetrainings.com/SAP PO training so that you can view our. This is an SAP PO landing page, www.globalonlinetrainings.com/SAP PO training. Here you can view the SAP PO training introductions along with the course content and a brief introduction about an SAP PO along with its course content and everything else. I think you all left with an query that how to register for this course. It's a very simple process to register for a course. Just you are finding an option called request a demo in the menu option left at the left corner of the page. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you will be able to find a contact us page where you can fill your name, email and a phone number and a country and codes, and you can click on just the send option. There is another way to register yourself. Just you find a pop-up box called leave a message. You have to just give the required fields and just click on send option. As soon as we received your details, the global team will contact you and give you the complete updates regarding the SAP PO training. or else you can directly call us at +91 4060501418, the Indian number which is provided on the top of the website. Or you can email us at info at globalonlinetrainings.com. I would like to repeat the email. It is info@globalonlinetrainings.com. Here we have also mentioned our email as well as the landing page info. You can email us or you can visit our landing page at any time. We Global Online Trainings will help you and support you 24/7. Coming to the server, we do provide server for this SAP PO and which is working in a very good conditions. If you are facing any server issue, our support team will help you out or will clear your server issues within a very couple of hours. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us at Global Online Trainings. Have a good day.